So I decided to go ahead and put a reindeer right here, and so I just hot glue his hooves into the cardboard. It's Soto's Creative Corner here, and today I'd like to share with you how I put together Tim Holtz Sizzix Thinlet dies, little miniature villages. So the first thing I want to do is show you how I layer them. This is a magnetic platform, and I'm going to show you how I layer it and put one together. So I'm going to go ahead and put a cutting plate on top of that, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lay down my cardboard. But what I need to decide is which is going to be the inside and which is going to be the outside. That's very important when you're putting your house together. This is the soft side, or the flat side, and this side here we have the high ridges here is the cutting blade side. So if I put this down on the magnetic cutting plate like this, when it cuts, the creases is going to be on this side. The creases being on this side tells me that that's going to be the inside, and this cereal box showing what the advertisement is going to be the outside, and I don't want that. So let's go ahead and lay it down this way and put down the die. These ones that are the door dies will make a difference, because that will determine if you have a door going open on the left side or opening on the right. But let's go ahead. We're going to have to make 2 of these. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a tip. Some people go ahead and take their house and then they choose their door, window, a die, and put it inside the house and they cut it. But I'm not going to do this, and I'll show you why. So I'm going to go ahead, even though you need one that's a blank because you need the back side, I'm going to make 2 blanks, and then I'll show you what we do next. So here's the cutout piece. There's actually 2 of these. I have one here, and then I have the first one that I cut, which is right here. We have a roof, and then these little door awnings or gables. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the cutting plate back on the magnetic platform. One of these 2 pieces, because we have 2, right? And because the crease is on the inside, right there, this is going to be the outside. But before we do that, so we have the back, and then this is the front. See, now this isn't in the frame, and I can have it totally centered. And if I want to put a attic window on top of it, I can, just like that. As long as I have this pressed down nice and tight, going in the machine, then it's going to come out just right. So let me go ahead and get that done. Be right back. Okay, let's see how this came out. So I want to show you here how I take a piece of copy paper, thin, and I hot glue it to the sides here before I actually put on the thicker cardboard. So the reason why I do this is because I find that you get more coverage. And what I do is, once I get it on there, press down the tabs, do the other side. Then I'll just go ahead and just trim along the sides, remove all this, and then hot glue the other cardboard onto that. So I'm going to go ahead and trim this back, line it up, push it down, repeat on the other side. And now your roof is nice and secure.